And we are back at it again, folks, right here at Brooks Landscaping with another amazing landscape transformation, bringing in this beautiful Zeon Zoysia Sod. That's right, we're talking about a grass that's drought tolerant, shade tolerant, but also has the ability to take on a tremendous amount of foot traffic. I'm gonna take you through this landscape so that you can see exactly how we transformed it for this customer. Now, as you can also see, the beautiful Zeon Zoysia Sod is a grass that is allowing you to be able to also withstand a lot of the erosion that you may have on your landscape. And in this case, we dealt with that by being able to regrade the landscape, but then also offer a multitude of solutions that's going to help this customer. The first being able to give them a design that was going to be able to last a lifetime. They wanted to keep their existing red mulch, but we gave them another contour by being able to bring in this beautiful river rock design as a border. In addition to that, we also gave them a design that was able to help them for a lifetime by being able to waterproof the entirety of their foundation. So by being able to do just this right here, it gave them the ability to ensure that they never have to worry about the water being able to go into the foundation and potentially crack it. And that happens all the time due to the way that the landscapes are graded. And you can see just based on this one, it is on an incline. Now, doing that also gave the customer protection for a lifetime, while also giving them the opportunity to be able to add elegance to their outdoor living condition. In addition to that as well, this beautiful Zeon Zoysia Sod gave them back their landscape in the most exceptional fashion. Now I'm going to take you to the backyard so you can see exactly what I mean when it comes to being able to give a customer a total landscape transformation. Now, as you can see on this side of the landscape, by going with the Zeon Zoysia, is completely different than that of a Bermuda, which tends to wither away. But then also by being able to create a landscape solution on this side of this property, said that we went with our beautiful decorative gravel and river rock to create not only a landscape solution that was going to be able to give them a walking space, but also one that was going to be able to last a lifetime based on this design. That gave them so much more of the outdoor living space, and then it also gave them an ability to utilize this space even after a rain. But we didn't stop there, guys. We came back in with another backyard transformation that allowed for us to be able to take some of their existing landscape, but then also bring in this beautiful Zeon Zoysia Sod that you see here, drought tolerant, shade tolerant, has the ability to take on a tremendous amount of foot traffic, as I mentioned earlier. But what we love about it the most is that it's a grass that repairs itself. So if you find that your dogs pee on it or that a piece goes missing based on it being pulled up, it's gonna grow back. There isn't any grass like that outside of the Zoysia family, and the Zeon Zoysia is some of the best grass your money can buy. We call it the Cadillac of all grass. Now, in addition to the last thing that we did on this property is we truly enhanced it by giving this customer two different ways to utilize their outdoor living space. One of them being able to say that they're using this beautiful Zeon Zoysia Sod as a way to be able to have a pet-friendly area, but also an area to have green grass. Another area being able to say that what it looked like before, comparable to what it looks like now, says that they have an area that they're going to be able to utilize for outdoor gatherings. Friends, family, and guests are going to be able to sit in this area. Our beautiful decorative gravel of a 1 to 2 inch size allows us to be able to give you that confidence in knowing that this is going to be a grass that is absolutely going to last. And one of the things that I want to encourage you guys to understand is that when you're dealing with landscape drainage, especially in Georgia, the Georgia red clay has no other solution than that of finding itself sometimes in a position where you do have to put in this decorative gravel. But the best thing about it is if you do it the right way, you not only end up with an additional outdoor living space similar to that of what this customer has on their concrete slab. They now can utilize this on this area, but then they also have a landscape drainage solution that protects their fence and gives them a design that is going to be able to sustain the time in which they're in their home. And that's the reason we become so effective at what we do, the reason why we become the highest rated landscaping companies around, because we've always focused on giving our customers more quality, more quantity of service than that of what could have ever been expected. And that's exactly what we were able to do on this landscape by coming in with the beautiful Zeon Zoysia Sod, the decorative gravel and river rock design, but more importantly, the way in which we utilize the customer's existing materials in order to provide them with an even better look. Because I can tell you, landscape drainage is not cheap, but what it does do is it provides you with a solution that you can count on for a lifetime. And that's why we offer you a warranty for as long as you're in the home when it comes to your landscape drainage. It gives us the ability to ensure that our designs are built to last. And that's exactly what we do each and every time right here at Brooks Landscaping. And that's what we've done on this landscape for this customer, is giving them an outdoor living solution that is absolutely guaranteed to last, and one that's gonna last a lifetime. So if you look at the design here, not only on the side yard where we're able to help this customer, but it also says that in the backyard we were able to help this customer, and then we softscape this landscape by being able to come in with our beautiful Zeon Zoysia Sod to truly help this customer. And that's just what we do each and every time right here at Brooks Landscaping.